I love arc volcanoes, which is where we've spent, the beginning of this cruise, because they're completely wacky and like nothing we've ever seen. But it's always good to come back to a black smoker, especially a giant one that we've never seen before.
This is one of the most spectacular sights I think I've ever seen. It's just jaw-dropping and beautiful and mesmerizing.
And these things are just pumping so much into the ocean. It blows me away.
Temperatures of those vents are above 300 degrees Celsius, which is pretty hot.
And just centimeters away from that hot fluid, there's those crazy shrimp and crabs and worms and snails.
The candidate for the coolest animal behavior that I've seen is definitely the crabs. They're highly, highly sensitive to temperature. So they will dip their little claw into the temperature and then immediately dash away if it's too hot. So we've also seen this side of these crabs that is quite ferocious, feeding furies where they have attacked and piled on other animals. And we've also seen that these crabs are cannibals. They will literally rip one another apart. Today, we saw something that we certainly have never seen before. It looked like he was basically collecting bacteria off what appeared to be a smaller female with eggs and was eating that bacteria. So he was literally grooming this smaller shell, just in the same way that you would see chimpanzees, for instance, picking bugs off of the hair of a mate or group members. Incredible to see that same type of behavior in crabs that are 3,500 meters under the sea.
Even though the environments are so extreme, life is thriving by the incredible number of chemosynthetic animals just crawling around on the surface of this chimney.
I just love the way they look. I've been studying them for 8 years now, almost. I've never seen anything like this before as far as the morphology of the chimneys. The minerals that make up that chimney are not very permeable. They're really stuck into narrow channels and their only choice is to go up. They can't go out. So there's something about the mineralogy there that's making those chimneys very impermeable. And I don't know the answer to that. The hardest part about chimneys is getting them. I feel lucky that I get to have these samples and look at them so we can learn about how long has this whole general area been hydrothermally active.
No one's come out and seen the things that we're seeing, so being the first humans to go down there, drive around Sebastian, look at these cool creatures, it's absolutely fantastic.
One of the things that we've already recognized is that the animals living in the back arc are very different from the animals living on the volcanic arc, and we wanted to confirm that. We know that now, so now we can go back and say, aha, geological setting is really important, probably influencing the chemistry and the microbes, and therefore controlling the animals.
My favorite part about going to sea is getting to share this experience with other scientists and with the crew, and it's wonderful to be able to share these discoveries with the public and hopefully inspire, the next generation of scientists and engineers in understanding and appreciating our planet.